Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer Litecoin from Uphold to Gemini in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your crypto holdings or just switch platforms, this step-by-step tutorial will make the process smooth and hassle-free. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring your Litecoin like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Gemini. If you haven't already, download the apps or log in via their websites. Start by opening your Uphold account and navigating to your dashboard. Look for your Litecoin wallet. It's usually under the Assets or Crypto section. Once you're there, select Litecoin and choose the option to withdraw or transfer funds. Next, head over to your Gemini account. In Gemini, go to the Deposit section and select Litecoin. This will generate a unique wallet address for you. Copy that address carefully. Double-check it to avoid any mistakes, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Now, go back to Uphold and paste this Gemini address into the withdrawal form. You'll need to enter the amount of Litecoin you want to transfer, making sure it's above any minimum limits set by Uphold. Before confirming, review the transaction details, including fees and estimated arrival time. In 2025, network fees for Litecoin might be lower due to upgrades, but always check current rates. Hit confirm, and you'll get a confirmation code or email. Sit tight while the transfer processes. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log back into Gemini and verify that your Litecoin has arrived. If you run into any issues, both platforms have support teams you can contact. And there you have it. That's how you transfer Litecoin from Uphold to Gemini. Remember, always stay secure with two-factor authentication and keep an eye on market trends. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.